Before watching this video, decide if you are a lazy or hard worker, cause you need to do a lot of work in order to hack online Ludo King.
It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah. It's that
So let's get right into it. First step, you need to have 2 devices. If you don't have 2 devices, you can still do this, but it will be so untidy. So here are my 2 devices. First, let's focus on device 1. On device 1 you only need the original Ludo King. Then on device 2 you need any file manager. I am using Zarkeever. The second thing is a Sky Spider, an application which you can download from the first link in description. So let's first start with device 1. Open Ludo King and log into your account and done. Let's go to device 2. So the link in description for Sky Spider will take you on this page. From here simply download it. I have already downloaded it. Now go ahead and install it. See, it is totally safe. Now open it. Click OK. Continue. Now select play as guest. Do not log in your real account and continue. Now select play with friends and create a room for 5,000 coins. Now go to the first device and select play with friends and click on join. Now here enter the code of the room that you created on device 2. Now come at device 2 and start the match. After the match has started, leave the match and the device 1 should win the game and 5,000 coins has been sent. But wait, now how to do it again? Yes, you can do it again and reach the amount you need. To do it again, go to device 2 and uninstall Sky Spider. Now open File Manager and reinstall Sky Spider. And repeat all the steps you did after installing Sky Spider and keep on doing it repeatedly until you reach the amount you need. We started from 40,000 coins and now are at 50,000. This trick will not get you banned, so don't worry. Watch the videos of more hacks and mods for other games. The link to all of them will be in description. Bye.